In this video I'm going to show you how to apply and remove your matrix case from your new iPhone. So let's start. Over here we got the matrix case, and let me show you how easy it is to apply it to your new iPhone. So let's start. What I'm doing is taking the device, putting it on the side, pressing it a little bit, and then I'm going to push the corners here until it pops into the case. As you can see, it's very easy to apply the phone to your case, and now we're going to show you how to remove it. So in order to remove the matrix case from your new iPhone, all you need to do is start from the camera corners, peel them off until you see the gap, and then start peeling it from the side to the bottom, just like that, and easily you can see it's peeled off from your phone. So